Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Before going into the further details, I have some few requests to you. That is, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can subscribe from a number of many other devices. And we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose, motive, and idea behind making the whole entire collection of videos on my channel is to share amazing, stylish, and trendy ideas of hand embroidery with hand embroidery lovers, hand embroidery artists, and the one who are beginners of hand embroidery. So now let's move back towards our main content and main concern, and let's talk about today's video. Guys, this video contains hand embroidery designs, different type of neckline stylized patterns of hand embroidery, specifically designed on one color fabric base, that is white color. So the whole entire collection of today's design ideas is totally based on white color dresses. That could be white shirt, white top, sweatshirt, t-shirt, sleeveless shirt, kurti, crew neck, round neck, or any type of the shirt that you can make specifically on white color fabric. The fabric could be any, like you can make it on summer fabric, organic, blended linen, soft, lawn, cotton, and even intermixed fabrics, jacquard, cambric, corduroy, linen, and warm woolen fabrics as per your own choices. All of these materials are totally based. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing stylish and trendy ideas of today because white color is the most lovable color, light, breathable, and coolest of all the light colors. So different stylized patterns ranging from round neck, bot neck, motif style, square style neckline, and many more creativity along with deep cut style. Different neckline patterns have been shown: shoulder embroidery, shoulder neckline style embroidery, side neckline embroidery. Different patterns have been shared, and the beauty and creativity of this whole entire collection is that this collection contains bi-directional design ideas. That is, these are equally favorable for machine embroidery as well as for hand embroidery. So the scope is not only limited to specific dimension, you can use these patterns as per your choice. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. Stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos on my channel. Until then, take care.